Changing your cow's silage can feel like navigating a tightrope. Get it right, and your herd thrives with sustained milk production and health. Get it wrong, and you risk digestive upsets and costly drops in performance. Whether you're switching due to seasonal changes, silage quality, or sourcing, mastering the transition process is key to keeping your cows happy, healthy, and productive. Drawing on expert advice from industry leaders, this video breaks down everything you need to know to make a smooth, successful silage switch, helping you protect rumen health, optimize feed intake, and maximize returns on your dairy investment. Cows' rumens are like finely tuned fermentation factories. They rely on a delicate balance of microbes that adapt slowly to new feed types. A sudden change in silage can disrupt this balance, causing rumen upset and acidosis, which harms digestion and animal well-being, reduced feed intake, as cows reject unfamiliar tastes and textures, and lower milk yields due to nutrient imbalances and stress. Understanding this delicate ecosystem is the first step toward a successful transition. Start by adding just 10% to 20% of the new silage to the existing diet. Over 2 to 3 weeks, increase this amount slowly, about 10% to 20% every 3 to 5 days, until your cows are fully adapted. This steady approach allows rumen microbes to adjust without stress. Watch for warning signs like changes in manure consistency, loss of cud chewing, or sudden dips in milk production. These clues tell you if the transition is too fast and needs slowing down. Silages differ in dry matter, energy, protein, and fiber. Test both silages and adjust supplements accordingly to keep the diet balanced. Use expert nutrition advice or feed formulation tools to maintain optimal nutrient levels throughout the transition. Feed your cows at regular times with fresh, high-quality silage free from mold or spoilage. Consistency improves acceptance and maintains intake. Good silage, harvested at the right maturity and properly fermented, makes adaptation easier. High-quality silage ensures better palatability and stable rumen fermentation, reducing the risk of digestive upsets during the transition. Transitioning your cows from one silage to another isn't just a feeding task. It's a critical management skill that directly impacts the health, happiness, and productivity of your herd. By following a thoughtful, gradual approach supported by nutritional science and expert guidance, you can safeguard rumen health, maintain steady feed intake, and keep milk yields strong throughout any silage change. Remember, successful silage transition is all about patience, monitoring, and balance. When done right, it ensures your cows keep producing their best, no matter what's in the feed bunker.